In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Google Contacts app in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to bring up your Google Chrome and search for Google Contacts. Once you have searched it, or you can simply click on this lab yes, this icon beside the lab icon, and that way you would be able to see the contacts, tap on it, and you would be redirected here. So once you are here, navigate directly to the three dots, click on it, and locate your cursor to cast, save, and share, and go with install Google Contacts. So if it will ask you to confirm your action, go with install, and in that way you would be able to install it here in your Windows. So you can now close the window as well as this one, and in that way you have just successfully install the Google Contacts in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you would like it to pin the taskbar, simply click on yes to confirm, or you can simply decline the offer by clicking on no thanks. Or from here, please make a right click, go with show more options. And once a new window which contains a list of the option would be appearing here in our screen, you can see there pin to taskbar, tap on it, and in that way you would be able to pin to taskbar as well. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.